Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? In today's video I'll be taking you through how I make my delicious porridge potato, guys. A very healthy one at that, very rich and tasty at the same time. Make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end. You will love it, guys. So guys, in here I'll be taking you through all the ingredients we'll be using for this porridge potato recipe, guys. In here is our tomato paste, our crayfish already washed and set aside. Here is our pepper. I'm using grounded pepper, guys. And here is our salt. In here is our vegetable. And here is our non-maggi, our season cube, our lead oil, guys, our sliced onions, and the main of them all, that is potato, guys. Let's get started with today's recipe. So guys, our oil is already bleached. Cover it because the heat is coming out of it. Putting our onions. Guys, now instead of adding it. So we have to fry our tomato for like some minutes, guys. We have to fry our tomato for 5 minutes, guys, before we put in another ingredient. So guys, let's wait and fry it for like 5 minutes before we continue with other ingredients. So guys, let's check our tomato. You can see it now, it's well fried. So let's add in our season cube. Our pepper. Our salt to taste, guys. Our crayfish, guys. Make sure you wash your crayfish unless you want to eat sand, because this crayfish of a thing, sand always stays inside it. So let's add in water, a little water first. You can see the outcome, guys. You can use a smoked fish to cook your own, guys, depending on the one you want to use. You can use smoked fish, you can use only crayfish. You know, potato is always sweet, so if you want to use fish and cook it, is okay for you. You can use it. So guys, now it's time to introduce our already washed potato. To make this delicious potato is very easy because the potato do not have to it don't take time to cook, and to cook it is very simple and it saves time, guys. So make sure you stay and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Always like my video, share and comment, guys. That is the only way to support your gear. So now it's time to turn it. And make sure you mix it very well so that all the ingredients that you have added will touch on your potato. This delicious food is very healthy. Potato is very healthy, guys. Make sure you try it out. You will love the outcome. You can see it's well mixed now. Now it's time to add in our water. If you are cooking potato, you have to add water a little, so that because the potato it didn't take long to cook, so you have to add in a little water. You can see the water I added in the potato is not big, it's not too much, so you have to add in a little water to cook your potato so that it will come out very nice and look so delicious and taste so delicious. As you are cooking it, make sure you test if salt is okay in your food. So guys, now it's time to cover and cook it for a while before we get into another step. So guys, our potato has been cooking for a while. Let's check it and see how it looks. You can see it, guys. You can see the outcome, and you can see the water has already gone down. You don't want your potato to have too much water after cooking it. You can see the outcome. I hope you are seeing it very well. It looks so delicious and sumptuous. Let's check if, let's go before this, my phone will fall down. I have to set it very well. Let's check if the potato is ready. You can see it. It tastes so delicious, guys. The salt, everything is okay. So let's just start with the next ingredient. In here is our vegetable leaf, our ugu leaf, well sliced and washed. If you are cooking your potato, you need to add this ugu. Try this recipe, you will love it. It's very healthy, guys, and very delicious. So now it's time to add in our vegetable. Before you add in your vegetable, you need to make sure your potato is ready, because you don't have to cook your vegetable leaf for long. So now it's time to cover your pot just for a minute. Your food is ready. Come. So our food is ready. You can see it here. It looks so delicious, so sumptuous. Please make sure you try this recipe. It come out very good and it's very healthy at the same time, guys. Let me check. So guys, the outcome is giving. Make sure you try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more homemade recipe to come. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Like, share and comment for more. Bye.